Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your software with Adobe Creative Cloud, full guide step by step clearly. To secure your software with Adobe Creative Cloud, start by launching the Adobe Creative Cloud application. Sign in using your Adobe ID and password to access your account. Once signed in, navigate to the Preferences section located in the top right corner. In the Preferences menu, select Creative Cloud to access security settings. Enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. Follow the prompts to link your mobile device for authentication purposes. Next, make sure your Adobe Creative Cloud software is updated to the latest version. Regular updates often contain security patches that fix vulnerabilities. To verify updates, return to the main Creative Cloud interface and check the Updates tab. If updates are available, proceed to install them by clicking the Update button. Now, let's focus on managing shared files and permissions. Navigate to the Files tab to view your stored documents in Creative Cloud. Select the file or folder you wish to secure, then click on the Share option. Review the sharing settings and restrict access to only necessary collaborators. Adjust link sharing settings to either allow or disallow public access. Consider using password protection for shared links to further enhance security. After setting up permissions, it's important to regularly review your shared files. Periodically check who has access and remove any unnecessary collaborators. Next, explore the use of Adobe's built-in security features. Utilize Adobe Document Cloud services for securely storing and sharing documents. Leverage the Acrobat security settings to password protect PDFs and restrict edits. Now, let's talk about backups. Regularly backup your work to local or external drives to prevent data loss. Use Adobe's backup feature in the Creative Cloud interface for added convenience. Finally, stay informed about security threats and updates. Implementing these steps will help you secure your software and protect your creative assets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.